This will not be a long video. I am going to provide you with a suggestion, and that would be to interpret the building code yourself as to whether or not you could build a stairway like this. And that would be a stairway with the same size steps, except you're going to have an angle at each one of the ends, where over here everything is going to be at a 90-degree angle. We are going to have rectangular shaped steps. And as we all know, this stairway right here is acceptable to most building codes as long as it meets the minimum height, along with the maximum height for a riser, where we have 7 inches here, and we have 11 inches for the treads, and the width of the stairway is 38 inches. And we basically have the same measurements here. 38 inches over here, 11 inches here. And for those of you out there who need to get creative, I really don't see a problem with the tread section, the length, and the description or the verbiage of the building code. All it suggests is that you take the measurement from the foremost protruding section of the upper step and then measure at a 90-degree angle. So if we placed a framing square up against the back step like we have here, and we do not have a nosing or an undercut, we could simply measure right across here. And if all of the steps are the same, then we shouldn't have a problem. And the key word there is that you shouldn't have a problem, but you might have a problem. So make sure that you check with your local building department before building a stairway like this one or a stairway similar to it. And I will also leave the building code reference number and part of the building code in the video description box. And of course, I welcome any arguments that you might have. Anybody who suggests you cannot build something like this or can provide us with other building codes that might suggest otherwise, then feel free to share those with us in the comment area so that we can all take a look at them. And as always, if you have any questions about this video, feel free to leave those in the comment area also.